Ever wondered what it would be like to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and retreat to a serene, tranquil haven? That's exactly what quiet life travel is all about. It's a growing trend, a breath of fresh air in the world of travel. And today, we're diving into the reasons behind its rise. Quiet life travel is a response to our fast-paced, technology-driven world. It's a yearning for simplicity, for peace, for a connection with nature that's often lost in urban environments. The world is brimming with noise, both literal and figurative. From the constant chatter of social media to the incessant hum of traffic, it's hard to find a moment of silence. Quiet life travel offers an escape, a chance to step back and breathe. People are drawn to quiet life travel for a variety of reasons. Some yearn for the solitude and peace it brings. Others see it as a chance to reconnect with themselves, to reflect and recharge away from the distractions of daily life. It's a form of self-care, a way to prioritize mental health and well-being. Quiet life travel isn't just about finding a quiet place, though. It's about embracing a quieter way of life. It's about slowing down, taking the time to appreciate the simple things, and immersing oneself in the local culture. It's about savoring the moment rather than rushing from one tourist hotspot to another. The rise of quiet life travel is also a reflection of our changing values. In an era where experience is valued over material possessions, quiet life travel offers a unique and enriching experience. It's a chance to learn, to grow, and to see the world from a different perspective. Quiet life travel has also been boosted by the pandemic. With travel restrictions and safety concerns, many people have been forced to rethink their travel plans. Quiet life travel offers a safer alternative, a way to explore new places without the crowds. In summary, the rise of quiet life travel can be attributed to a multitude of factors. It's a response to our noisy, fast-paced world, a chance to slow down and reconnect with nature. It's a form of self-care, a way to prioritize mental health and well-being. It's a reflection of our changing values, and it's been boosted by the pandemic. But above all, it's a chance to experience the world in a whole new way. So, if you're yearning for a bit of peace and quiet, maybe it's time to give quiet life travel a try.